Here we are back in downtown Phoenix at this beautiful historical home we restored the wood floors on, and let's go do a walkthrough. We have a video before, we'll do one. This is after, and today is Thursday, May 28, 2020. Let's go ahead and take our shoes off since it is a brand newly restored wood floor. You can see it turned out just gorgeous. And you'll see in the previous video how dark and dull it was. And after we came in, did a few papers of sanding. I think we did a 36, 60, 80, buffed it out. And this is a new floor that we just installed about a few weeks ago. So this is the new wood floor, and this is the original wood floor. You can see this is probably a little bit cleaner select, and that looks like a common number 2, number 3. You could tell because of all the dark streaks and all the knots it has in it. So let's go ahead and come back this way. Try to make sure that we got everything in this video that we previously had in the old video. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough right here. Beautiful, gorgeous. Let's go ahead and go back this way. I want to make sure we have enough video light on. Yeah, it's a little bit dark in here. There it is. Beautiful restored wood floor. Let's go ahead and take a look at this pine floor. I think this one came out fabulous. This is a pine floor. It's a little bit of a softer wood, which is different than the oak. It's still extraordinary. I'm so happy the clients decided to keep it. Give us a call today, 602-446-2613. We're located in Phoenix, Arizona, and you can always find us online, www.royalwoodflooring.com. We're here to help you any way we can in your wood floor restoration projects, sanding, refinishing, repairs. We also do custom installation of wood floors, solid wood floors, engineered. We also do vinyl installation and laminate floor installation, if that's what you'd like. We're here to help you and assist you with all your wood flooring needs. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our website, telephone number, and we'll make sure we'll help you and assist you any way we can. There's our beautiful work truck. And as you can see, that is just one gorgeous floor. And yes, this is a historical home, so the floor is 80 years old in here. Wood floors last pretty much a lifetime if properly maintained. The nice thing about them, they could always be sanded, refinished, restored, and they did keep the old nookware that we're putting back. The old wooden mantle that was there. The old wooden telephone holder. They're restoring it now, our clients. And this is it. With a great job done by Royal Wood Flooring. Give us a call, like I said, we'll help you. And we'll be more than glad to assist you. If we could give you any good advice on your wood floors, we will. As you can see over here, we did put a border. Instead of lacing it in, it would have been a little costlier. We'll put a wood border across, and we'll continue with the new wood floor in here that we installed on joist. Glad to have you along for this video. For any questions, contact us. Once again, 602-446-2613. Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed our videos.